Convert the following fractions to decimals. In order to convert these to decimals, the first thing I want to notice here is that the denominators are powers of 10. That's really nice. The first one has a denominator of 1,000 and the second one has a denominator of 10. The reason why that's really nice is because those powers of 10 match up with the place values to the right of the decimal point. So it's really nice to convert these to decimals because I don't have to do long division. The first thing you want to do is say these fractions in words. So the first one is 17 thousandths. So what that means is that when I write this fraction as a decimal, I want my last place value to be the thousandths place. So I want to end in the thousandths place. Now, let's just refresh our memory of the place values. So here's a nice little place value chart we have right here. And I can see right here, there is the thousandths place. It is 3 places to the right of the decimal point. So what that means is I need to fill up 3 of those spots with numbers to the right of the decimal point. But when I look at the numerator, I see the numerator is a 17 that only has 2 digits. So how do I fill up 3 digits places if I only have 2 digits? Well, I'm going to insert a 0 in the tenths place to make my 17 stretch out to reach the thousandths place. So a 0 in the ones place, then my decimal point, then a 0 in the tens place, and then 1 7 in the hundredths and thousandths place. So 0.017 would be read as 17 thousandths because you always say the place value of the digit that is the last digit of your number. So that 7 is the last digit, so that means my word ends as thousandths, 17 thousandths. Okay, let's look at the next one. I would say this as 3 tenths. So I can see now that the tenths place is that first spot to the right of the decimal point. So I only need to fill up 1 spot. Well, that's a good thing. My numerator only has 1 digit. So it has a 0 in the 1 spot, then the decimal point, then a 3. So this is written as 0.3 or 3 tenths.